open one. This is the master cylinder of Hayabusa, which is under recall. So this part is replaced free of cost by by Suzuki from Japan. They have sent this part. So this is for a series of bikes. It has been replaced. It costs almost 60,000 rupees. It's been done free of cost. And Kumar is doing it here in Aryan Suzuki, Damblur. Hi, thank you. So this is what it is. After my third service, I am getting the recalled master cylinder, this also, getting it replaced now, which is free of cost. But all other things I have done, that is brake pads I have changed, brake pads I have thrown down. It went 12,000 kilometers, so that I changed. Coolant was changed. Then engine oil 4 liters was changed. Then throttle body cleaning was done, and then the spark plugs were also cleaned. So now he is changing the master cylinder, so which is a recalled part. So you can see the bike how it looks. So in Aryan Suzuki Damblur branch I am doing it now. So Kumar is the technician who is doing the job. And chain lubing, adjusting the chain, all that is done. But I think after 12 miles, generally the tires last for 7,000-8,000 kilometers. But mine, I don't know, somehow it lasted till 12,000 kilometers. I need to replace the tire also. So you can see they are running, engine is running. So the coolant to just run through, the engine oil also has to run through all the parts. So this is what it is. You can see air filter also was replaced. So it's just too dusty. You can see the air filter there, it's too dirty. So here is the new master cylinder. அதில் டாட் ஆயிலும் போடணும் இல்லையா அப்புறமா? அப்போ இதில் மிஸ்டேக் எப்படி என்ன இருந்தது? இது ஏர் அவுட் ஆகலையா, என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் இருந்தது அவங்களுக்கு? அவங்க சொல்கிறது பட் எனக்கு என்ன சொன்னது வந்து இந்த ரப்பர் ஃபால்ட் இருக்குன்னு சொல்லி சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அவ்வளோதான். அவங்க அது என்ன இதில் ப்ராப்ளமா? கேஸ்கெட் மாதிரி கேஸ்கெட் மெல்ட் ஆகிட்டு அந்த உள்ள போய் பிளாக் ஆகிட்டு தென் அது வந்து பிரேக்கிங் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகிடும். ஓகே, அதெல்லாம் செக் பண்ணிவிட்டு புதுசாக பாட்டு அனுப்பிச்சிருக்காங்க. This is the master cylinder is changing. Now the brake dot oil, brake oil also will be poured into it. This is what is the recalled part. This is worth around 60,000 rupees. That's what they told me. பழசிதில் இருக்கா? I'll show you the old one, which is கொஞ்சம் காமிச்சிடுங்க ஒரு நிமிஷம், வீடியோ எடுத்துக்கிறேன். The old one which has to be sent back to Suzuki in Japan. So this is the part. This is the old master cylinder. So there was some fault with the this rubber, which used to get jammed and all that, and there was to be no problem with the braking distance. Okay, vechirunga. After putting the master cylinder, now he is going to install the brake levers. You this is what it is. Oil also has to be put in this. This is the replaced recalled part. This is installing the brake levers. The dot oil, yeah?
No, that's correct.
Yeah. So this is the dot oil. Brake oil is going to put it now. Extra.
Stop. Suzuki.
Extra. Dot 4 brake fluid oil. Yeah. 200 ml is there. You can see him pouring in. Just pumping it out so that the air is gone. Air is out and then the liquid is going thoroughly into the pipes. Allowing the brake oil to really move to the pipes. Just pumping it. up with the balance oil now at the required level after pumping it up. You can see the level, oil level. Now we have to put the gasket and then load it. The job is done, master cylinder is changed and the oil also has been topped up. So this is the recalled part for the front Brembo brake master cylinder. Recalled for 60,000, then recalled and done free of cost. This is for a batch of few bikes from 2021, that's it. Whether it is functioning well or not, they are doing it mandatorily, replacing it free of cost. Thank you very much for watching.